Hi everyone, Nadia here from Oxigo. If you're new to CPAP therapy, one of the first questions you may have is, do all CPAP masks fit all machines? It's a great question, and the answer is not as simple as yes or no, but let's break it down together. The short answer is most CPAP masks are compatible with most CPAP machines. But there are some exceptions you need to know about. Standard CPAP masks connect via 22mm universal connection. That means that the majority of masks and tubing will fit across different brands and models. For example, a ResMed mask can usually be used with a Philips CPAP machines. This is where things get a little bit tricky. Some machines use proprietary connectors. For example, the ResMed Air Mini requires a specific setup with compatible masks or an adapter. Some travel CPAPs also need special tubing or connectors. So, while most masks are interchangeable, it's always important to check compatibility before buying. Here's my advice. Always check the product description carefully. Look for notes on compatibility, and if you're ever in doubt, ask us before you order because we're happy to help you choose the right combination. At Oxigo, we stock a wide range of CPAP machines and masks. And what makes us unique is that you can not only browse online, but also come to our showroom in Utrecht where you can see the products in person by booking an appointment. This way, you can be confident your mask and machine are the perfect match. Choosing the right mask can be a little bit tricky. And to get the most out of your sleep therapy, it's very important to choose a sleep apnea mask that fully meets your personal needs. The perfect mask depends, among other things, on the way you breathe, through your nose or through your mouth, your position in bed, and your facial contours. All apnea masks in our range are comfortable and offer you optimal freedom of movement. They have a good fit, making leaks and irritations a thing of the past. Moreover, they are easy to take with you on a trip so that you can also enjoy comfortable CPAP therapy when you're on holiday. Now, let's quickly go over the 4 main types of CPAP masks, because choosing the right one is just as important as choosing the machine. These masks sit just below your nose and deliver airflow directly into your nostrils without covering the bridge of your nose. They offer a secure fit with a minimal contact, making them ideal if you want a more open field of vision or experience discomfort from traditional nasal masks. A great choice for side sleepers and people who feel claustrophobic with larger masks. These cover your nose and are a great balance between comfort and stability. They work well if you mostly breathe through your nose at night. These cover both your nose and mouth. They're the best choice if you often breathe through your mouth, if you have allergies or blocked nose, or if your therapy requires a higher pressure. These are the smallest options, sitting just inside your nostrils. They are light, minimal, and perfect if you want more freedom of movement, for example, if you wear glasses or like to read before bed. So, do all CPAP masks fit all the machines? Mostly yes, thanks to universal sizing, but there are a few exceptions that you need to keep in mind. So, if you have questions, feel free to reach us at oxigo.co or visit our showroom in Utrecht. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who could benefit. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you in the next video.